Question number 14. A Y is made in the form of a hemispherical surmounted by a right cone, whose circular base coincides with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 3.5 meters and its volume is 2/3 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of cone and the surface area of the Y. Correct two places of decimal. Radius of cone is equal to 3.5 meter. That is equal to 35 upon 10, 7 upon 2 meter, which implies R is equal to 7 upon 2 meter. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 2 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2. Cancel, 7 7 is cancel, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22 meter cube. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 11 7s are 77 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 539 upon 3 2s are 6 meter cube. Its volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone is equal to 2/3 of volume of hemisphere. It's given. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h is equal to 2 upon 3 into 539 upon 6. H is equal to 3 is cancel. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 539 upon 3 divided by pi is 22 upon 7 into r square is 7 upon 2 and 7 upon 2, which implies height is equal to 539, 7 7 is cancel, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22, then 2 multiplied by 539 divided by 3 into 11 into 7. That is 11 1s are 11 and 11 4s are 44, then 99, 11 9s are 99. 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Height h is equal to 7 2s are 14 upon 3. 14 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. 2.0. 3 6 are 18. 2.66 or approx और height is equal to 4.67 meter. Answer. And calculate the height of the cone, that is equal to 4.67 meter approx. And surface area of Y. Surface area equal to curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of cone, that is pi r l. And first we find L, that L is equal to under root of r square plus h square. Radius is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 square plus height is 14 upon 3. 14 upon 3 square. So L is equal to under root of 7 7s are 49 upon 4 plus 14 14s are, that is 196 upon 9. So slant height L is equal to under root of 49 into 9. into 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 4s are 36. 36, that is equal to 44. 441 plus 196 4s are 196 into 4, that is equal to 6 4s are 24. 2 carry, 9 4s are 36, 38. 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. 784 upon 36. 784 plus 441, that is equal to 5 to 12, which implies under root of 1225 upon 36. So L is equal to, we get L is equal to 1225, that is equal to 35. 35 square upon 36 is 6 square. So we get slant height is equal to 35 upon 6 meter. It's slant height of cone. And surface area of Y is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone, that is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 plus 22 upon 7 pi, and radius is 7 upon 2 and slant height is 35 upon 6. This is cancel and this will be cancel. 11 2 1 are 2, 11 2 are 22, and we get 77 plus 7 7 is cancel, and 2 1 are 2, 11 2 are 22. 35 into 11, 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 5, that is 38. We get 385 upon 6, which implies 77 into 6. 6 7s are 42, 42 4 carry, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 4, that is equal to 46. And 462 plus 385 upon 6, meter square. 462 and 385, 748, that is equal to 847 upon 6 meter square, which implies 847 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 2, 4. 6 fours are 24, 7, 6 ones are 6, 1.0, 6 ones are 6, and so on. That is equal to 141.1 meter square. Answer. Given radius of cone is 3.5 meter, and we can write 3.5 is 35 upon 10, and 7 5s are 35 and 5 2s are 10. That is, radius is equal to 7 upon 2 meter. And volume of hemisphere equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 pi is 22 upon 7, and radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 meter cube. Volume of hemisphere we get 539 upon 6 meter cube. And according to question, the volume of cone is equal to 2/3 of volume of hemisphere. That is equal to volume of cone. We know that volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square. H is equal to 2 upon 3. Volume of hemisphere is 539 upon 6 meter cube. So we find the height of cone, that is divided by pi r square, and 3 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 539 upon 3 divided by pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. 7 7 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22, and height is equal to 539 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 into 11 into 7. 11 ones are 11 and 11 49s are 539. 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14 divided by 3. Its height of cone. First we find the height of cone, that is equal to 14 upon 3 meter, or in decimal places h is equal to 4.67 meter. And surface area is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. First we find the slant height of cone, that is equal to L is equal to r square plus h square. Radius is 7 upon 2 square, and height we get, height is equal to 14 upon 3 raised to power 2. 7 sevens are 49 upon 2 2s are 4 plus 14 14s are 196 divided by 3 3s are 9, and cross multiplying 9 multiplied by 49 we get 441, and 196 multiplied by 4 then we get 784, and sum of 784 and 441, that is equal to 1225 divided by 36 with root, and slant height L is equal to 1225 is square root of 35, that is 35, and 36 root, that is equal to 6 square. 6 raised to power 2 is 36. So slant height is equal to 35 upon 6 meter. And surface area is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone, that is 2 pi r square plus pi r L. L is 35 upon 6. So 7 7 is cancelled, 11 2s are 22, 2 2 is cancelled, and 11 7s are 77 plus 35 11s are 385 divided by 6. 6 multiplied by 77, that is 462 plus 385 upon 6. Their sum is 847, and 847 upon 6 meter square. Its surface area of Y, and in decimal places we get 6 ones are 6, then 8 minus 6 is 2, and 24, 6 fours are 24, and 6 ones are 6, then 10 minus 6 is equal to 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1.0, and 6 ones are 6, then 4, and this will be 40, and 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 or 37. So approximately value 141.16 or 17 approx answer. Question number 15. A building is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere belted dome and contains 41 hole 19 upon 21 meter cube of air. If the internal diameter of dome is equal to the total height of the building, find the height of the building. Let the total height of building be h. Its diameter is equal to h meter, and radius is equal to h upon 2 meter. Height of cone, that is equal to h minus h upon 2 meter, implies 2h minus h, that is also h upon 2 meter, height of cone. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi into r square. R is radius is h upon 2 square, and height is h upon 2, that is pi into h cube upon 2 to jar 4, 4 to jar 8, which implies pi h cube upon 8 meter cube. And volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 upon 3 pi, r is h upon 2 pi r cube meter cube, that is 2 upon 2 to your 4 to your 8, 8 3s are 24 pi h cube, and meter cube. Volume of is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, that is equal to volume of air is given 41 hole 19 upon 21 meter cube, and volume of cylinder, that is pi h cube upon 8 plus, this is cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 12 jar, pi h cube upon 12, 41 into 21, that is equal to 168 plus 19, 088, that is equal to 880 upon 21, equal to pi is common and h cube is common, then we get 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12, which implies LCM is 24 and 8 3s are 24 plus 12 2s are 24 upon 24, h pi equal to 880 upon 21, which implies h equal to 880 upon 21 multiplied by 24 divided by pi is 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 5, and this is cancel, 22 4s are, and 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So h cube, this is h cube, h cube is equal to 8 8s are 64, which implies height is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, height is equal to 4 meter. Answer.